Hello everyone! In this video guys, I'm going to share magluto ako or I will make sticky rice or biko, black biko. So, pero haluan ko siya ng konting half lang nito. Half nitong half cup of brown rice. So, this is my own version black biko guys. So dahil wala namang gata sa Taiwan guys, I gonna be using this coconut. Yan, nakalagay dyan. Coconut cooking oil. That is the one ang i-replace ko for gata. And this brown sugar, healthy, that is the healthy kind of sugar. And I gonna be using this Alaska condensed. And the skin of this orange guys, I will grate and I will mix in the biko, you know guys. And see you later guys. I will soak first this black rice I will soak for about 20 minutes before I will start cooking. So let's see guys. Welcome back. Yes guys, I will soak first the black sticky rice for about 20 minutes before I will start cooking. I gonna be using like 2 cups. I gonna be using 2 and a half. The half one is the brown rice. 2 and a half. This one. So half only for the brown rice. So, I will wash this first. Patayin ko muna. So, guys, ayan na. I start here. I already washed the black rice. And I will soak for about 20 minutes before I will start cooking. So, see you later, guys, when I started cooking. So, I will grate this one. I have to grate this and so ready later for our recipe or our biko, black biko. Hello guys, welcome back. And this is now guys the orange peel that I will mix to my biko, to my black biko. So I will have to crush this or hiwa-hiwain ko siya ng maliit guys. So see you later. Tingnan niyo na lang kung paano. Hello guys! Welcome back! So guys, ito na yung mag-start na ako magluto ng aking black biko. At ito na yung niluto ko na black rice. It's done. And ito na yung orange peel ko na crush ko na ng todo. At ito yung aking Alaska. And since wala akong guys, gata, I will use this coconut oil. I bought this like 50 NT something, and only this sugar, all my ingredients. So let's gonna start. Buksan ko na siya. Ano ba to? Oh shit. Ayan. Bukas na. So I gonna pour now here. Hindi ko siya ubusin guys. Kasi pure oil na talaga ito eh. Ayan. Ayan lang. Estimate ko lang. Kasi pure oil na yan. Natulog ito guys. Pero nilagay ko doon sa parang uminit. Ayan. Natutunaw siya. So, I lowered the heat. Ano oras na ba? Humaba na yung ating oras. And I have to estimate guys, half of this sugar. Kasi gagamit ako nito. So, I will not put too much sugar. guys, yung sugar. Mix ko na sa oil. Yan, smell coconut nga siya, guys. So, hindi talaga yan fake na oil, guys. Kasi smell. So, I put this black rice, sticky black rice. Naan ko muna yung apoy, baka masunog ang sugar. Parang napadami pa nga yung oil ko, guys, eh. Patayin ko muna siya, guys, kasi mahahaba na ito. Guys, welcome back. Binawasan ko siya, guys, ng oil kasi na-over ako sa oil. So, I pour now the orange peel. Na-over ako sa oil, guys. So, binawasan ko yung coconut oil. Na-excited. Wala kasing gata. May kung gata yun, guys. Na-estimate ko. So, yun na yan. Yan, oh. Ma-oily to. So funny. So, later, guys, I will put this condense. Patayin ko muna. Hello guys, welcome back. And now guys, lagyan ko na siya ng condense. Kutsarahin ko pala. Pwede pa ako magawa next time. Yun, alam ko na yung oil, guys, na hindi ko na ma-over. Lipat ito mamaya sa ibang lagayan. And then after this, guys, I will put this in Pyrex and patutuyuin ko siya gamit sa oven. Sa oven ko siya ilalagay. So, see you later, guys. Basta nakita niyo na yan na hinahalo ko na lahat. So, see you later. Hello, guys. Ito na, guys. Nilagay ko na sa Pyrex yung biko. Patutuyuin ko siya ng todo doon sa oven. So, yan, guys. I put on top the condensed milk. 1 tablespoon or just estimate, guys. So, guys, and medyo oily siya, pero okay lang. Kasi coconut oil naman yon. So, guys, kasi first time kong gumawa. So, next time, I can make it perfect. So, see you later, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. And tapos na yung aking black biko, guys. Black sticky rice, guys, na ano. Biko nga, guys. Yun na nga, yun. Yung white sa taas guys, yung ibang kulay. Ayan, yan, condensed milk. Ayan, kita niyo yan. Condensed milk yan guys. So guys, once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para update kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.